Nestled in the heart of Hurghada, the marina is a lively waterfront hub where vibrant boardwalks meet the calm waters of the Red Sea. As you stroll along the vibrant boardwalk lined with shops, restaurants, and cafes, you'll spot the impressive Al Mina Mosque nearby, with its two towering minarets rising high above the skyline. By day, the marina buzzes with activity as boats set off for unforgettable trips to Gifton Island, including snorkeling adventures, glass-bottom cruises, and visits to Paradise Island, Orange Bay, or Mamia Island. As the sun dips below the horizon, the lights of the marina cast a golden glow and the air fills with music and the scent of the sea. Let's explore the marina and board one of the boats for an exciting boat trip. Did you like this video? Then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about upcoming videos.